Yo, what's up guys, Roofs here, and that's the big surprise we announced. That's true. Thanks to this one guy, I really hope you're watching this video, because thanks to you, we changed our channel, to be honest. We started out with the sayings, and you told us in the way of constructive criticism what you like and what you don't, and yeah, that really did change a lot. And I'm sorry for this big inactive period of time. I had to get all the software and stuff and getting used to work with it, but I guess I'm done now. Know how everything works. Okay, stuff like motion blur and I don't know what that is, but just give me some time and I'll find it out. So for the first commentary, I'm gonna tell you who we are, what you can and can't expect in this channel. So we are two real life best friends. Mr. J is since about 10 years in August, my best friend. And we both love to play, so we decided why not getting a YouTube channel. There are some guys on YouTube who are worse than us, and still, who can still entertain a bunch of people, and that's what we want. It's a hobby and it's a lot of fun, to be honest, but we will see how this whole thing goes on. Actually, it's my first commentary, so I'm maybe a little bit nervous, but that shouldn't be causing a problem. For the gameplay in the background, I'm using the golden MODEL1887 on the map Resistance, as you can tell. With me I have another primary weapon. Yeah, I know it's a secondary, but to be honest, it should be a primary, because the MP9 is just, it's a beast, and you will see that I'm gonna use it a lot in this game. Since I have Recon Pro and Hardline Pro, when I got the specialist bonus, I just like to paint people. My teammates, my green teammates, can give me the kill or the 2 assists. When I'm talking about teammates, for I would say 98%, we're just playing solo on our own, so it's kinda hard to get a good game. I mean, I know there are guys out there playing solo getting 52 MOABs in 2 seconds. But we're just average players, nothing special. But as I said, it's just for fun, and that's what we like to do. And maybe we're getting better. Well, of course we're getting better. But I play Call of Duty since 2009, so for about 3 years. And 2009 was my first shooter game, Modern Warfare 2. And I would say I changed a lot, so the future will be better, of course. I managed to get an model only MOAB on Arcaden. I'm gonna put some little clips from this gameplay at the end of this gameplay, but I couldn't, or I didn't want to upload it because we lost. And that's another big problem. You are so related on your teammates. If they are not caring about winning, well, you almost can't win by your own. That's just how it is. So yeah, as you can see, I'm holding down this area, and I would say that's a pretty nice area to be in. It can be very difficult because of the spawns. If they flip, you have to be lucky. Well, of course, you always have to be lucky when you're going on a MOAB or achieving a MOAB, whatever. But that's just, I'm patrolling this area between, I would say, B and A. It's where the most action happens over the whole game. And that's another thing. I'm not the guy who's able to get like 70-second MOAB. I'm like a very defensive player. That's just how I like to play. Because of course I like to rush, but I'm getting very frustrated if there is a guy in the corner. You know, there was no way I could spot him. So I was on a I don't know, 70 or 20 gun streak, and oh god, I hate it. But yeah, back to the gameplay. As I said, I used the MP9 for about 9 or 10 kills, I can't remember exactly. And there, since some of my teammates actually was able to get an UAV, I wasn't sure where they were because they had for a couple of seconds they had C and A, so I didn't really know where they were spawning at. So what else? Yeah, there probably will be some Black Ops gameplays in the future. Not a lot, but I'm kinda tired of MW3, and right there I'm pretty lucky, to be honest. Green teammate, thank you. I'm kinda bored of MODEL1887. There's just too much bullshit, and when I remember my first CoD steps in MODEL1887, there was this new tube and last stand and danger close and one-man army, and oh my goodness. And I thought it's kinda normal, and in Black Ops it changed a lot. To be honest, Black Ops is my favorite game so far. Let's see what the future brings. I hope it's not disappointing. I know every new game gets hyped and everyone's like, oh, in Modern Warfare 2 there will be no Modern Warfare 3 there won't be last stand and stuff, but yeah, we all know how it is now. We'll see. I can't wait for Black Ops 2, and I hope we don't get disappointed. Right there, actually, you see they have captured A again, so I'm kinda nervous. And the spawn was one problem. The other problem, or not problem, but what made me nervous was that was actually my first MODEL1887 M.O.A.B. I tried a lot, I tried hard. Wasn't easy, as I said before. This gun is, or can be, very frustrating. And right there, actually I got it. Actually right there I thought the game was over, so I laid down. Oh, thanks for a double kill, that was awesome. I laid down, then there is one guy behind me, passing me right now. And I was like, oh, game isn't over. I don't know what happened this moment. I was kinda overwhelmed, let's say. So yeah, the gameplay is coming to an end, and as I said, it's my first commentary, and I'm not used to talk to a computer. I'm recording this with my Mac, but as I said before, future will be better. I hope so, and I'm almost sure. So again, some constructive criticism, please. Tips, tricks, whatever. And my question is, what do you think about the MODEL1887? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Have a nice day. I hope you enjoyed it. Peace.
verlieren A. Wir haben A verloren. B gesichert. Hardliner. Wir verlieren Charlie. Geschütz unterwegs. Wir verlieren Charlie. Verbündete Predator drohen im Anflug. Wir verlieren A. Wir haben A verloren. MOAB bereit zum Einsatz. Verbündete MOAB kommt.